Well, here's a nice little system that I cobbled together. It's a rebuilt Dynaco system based on a PAT5 preamp. And I've got two stereo 150s that are on each side. These are in stereo mode, but I have them in a biamp arrangement. So they're horizontally biamped with these Polk Audio Model 70 tower speakers. I have a Nakamichi 700 plugged into it, and also a digital system, my DJ system actually. And what we have here is a really, really nice sounding arrangement. So we'll push play. We'll turn the volume up here. Really nice stereo separation. Sound is fabulous. There we go. Base plates are all in great shape. Veneered, walnut veneered amplifiers. So you can go with either 1 amp or 2 amps, depending on your needs and your desires. All functions work correctly, tone controls, bass and treble. Give it a little extra thump. Balance controllers, right speaker, no static, no nothing. This sounds fabulous. There you have it. A nice little Dynaco preamp and power amp arrangement. Hope you liked it. Thank you.